Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really cool beginner set of pickleball paddles, which I'm excited to try out. Inside this kit, you actually have two sets of balls, one that's used for inside and the green ones that are used for outside. They've got different hole diameters and different shapes for those. But the main piece of the pie here that is really exciting are these actual paddles. These got a honeycomb core and a graphite surface on these. Feels very nice, should be able to provide a lot of good spin on the ball. Grip is nice detail that is very padded, very comfortable grip on there as well, and a nice rubberized edge on this, so if you did drop it or happen to hit it on something, it should be just fine. But this should provide great action. They look very stylish. I'm very impressed with that, and I'm looking forward to get out there and use some of these. Both of those paddles and balls all fit in this nice provided bag that you can easily cinch tight and throw over your shoulder whenever you're ready to go out on the court, so you are ready to play. It's great that it's got these straps, easily throw it over your shoulders, and you're ready to go for a day on the court. I've got these really comfortable paddles, liking the fact that it's got that core in there. You can really hear that thing going, really can add some spin onto these balls. And the visibility of these balls is really cool. The light green really shows up well. Ready? This would be a great gift for anyone looking to get started with pickleball. It's a great beginner set, really lightweight, very comfortable grips, and I think it would make a great gift for anyone